everyone, I am back. This is going to be the last video in the series of Meghalaya expedition. So आज की सुबह कुछ special है because today is my birthday. As you know, I did camping at Shillong Pedong. कल जब मैं यहाँ पहुँची थी, it was all dark. Didn't see the views. I don't have a lot planned for today. क्योंकि मेरा आज का स्टे शिलोंग में बुकड है. And Shillong Pedong से शिलोंग तक जाने में almost 4 घंटे तो लग जाएंगे. This was me. I was trying to wash my face into the river. बहुत मेहनत लगी honestly. I did it. It was a dream come true for me. Yes, मेरी चप्पल बह गई थी नदी में. But it was rescued later. I spent about a couple of hours near this river, walking on the hanging bridge above this river. Usually Shillong Pedong is known for its clear crystal water. As you can see, due to recent rain and construction work, the river has turned all brown. Really want to come back here somewhere between November to Feb to witness the real beauty of this place. आज की itinerary में बहुत ज़्यादा places नहीं थे to cover, so I spent some more time near this river where I was camping. I went down the hills to find the clear water and enjoy the views for some time. After soaking in all the beauty from this nature, we started our journey back. And since it was my birthday, our driver Bhaiya played this song. And the first stop we took was for breakfast, and next we stopped at Krangsuri waterfall. I won't lie, this was the most magical waterfall that I witnessed in Meghalaya. I'm sure there might be others. I personally liked this one the most. It was around 15 to 20 minutes of walk till the waterfall. You can even swim here, do boating or kayaking, whatever you like. After clicking few pictures here, I went for kayaking. I always wanted to do kayaking. I even planned that for my last year's Goa trip, but that couldn't happen. And finally, I did it here. It was such a great experience. Time limit was for 15 minutes. I didn't came out even after 30 minutes. I really had to use whistle to call me out of the water. On the way back, I had this orange juice, and then we headed straight to the Fifi Falls. Fifi Falls पहुंचते ही हमें पता चला that we have to take a guide who was charging around 1000 to 1200 rupees, but there was one more route which was showing up in the Google map, so we followed that and reached another entry point. Upon reaching there, we found out even from here we have to take a guide, but this time the guide was charging us 800 rupees per person. Since I was running short on time, I decided not to trek down and have a view from afar. The landscapes were magical, and again I ended up spending around an hour there. Okay, it was my birthday. My cab driver Bhaiya said to take you to a temple. So before we left for Shillong, stopped at this Durga temple which is situated in Jantai Hills, and then at last we saw this monolith park which was on our way back to Shillong. Last I stopped for lunch, then we drove for around 2 hours to reach the final destination. So Shillong. Guess what, where I was staying? So my birthday stay was at Courtyard by Marriott. I celebrated my birthday, had a nice day, checked out the next day and left for Guwahati for my flight to Kolkata. From there I had a train to Ranchi. This is how my trip ended. I wish I could take a trip every year on my birthday. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for showing love and supporting me. If you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe. Please do comment and like. Thank you.